Hey, did that backpack turn into a chair? This tool is so cool. Wow, AirPods cleaning machine. Let's watch and see. If you want to buy the products, you can find the links in the description section. Bumruk lightweight backpack chair. Are you tired of sitting on uncomfortable beach chairs? Meet the Bumper lightweight backpack, the ultimate beach accessory for ultimate comfort. This backpack is like having a personal beach butler, with its super lightweight design and self-supporting 5-position hinge that lets you lean back for hours of comfortable sitting. It's perfect for carrying all your essentials and also getting a comfortable seat. Constructed with a steel interior frame and high-density waterproof foam lining covered with quality neoprene, this seat is designed to withstand the elements. Plus, you can easily remove the backpack for lounging access or use the backpack alone as your day pack. Perfect for days when you just want to relax and enjoy the sun, and the best part, it's machine washable, so you can always keep it clean and fresh. Naicisports X1 Smart Folding eBike. Are you tired of being stuck in traffic or taking forever to get to your destination? Meet the Naicisports X1 Smart Folding eBike, the ultimate ride to get you there faster than ever before. This electric bike is like having a personal race car, with its ability to reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and go up to 133 miles on a single charge. Equipped with a high-precision torque sensor, 350-watt high-speed geared brushless motor, 5-speed assist system and 3 switchable riding modes, this bike gives you the control you need for any terrain. Plus, its lightweight design makes it easy to fold and carry on the go, so you can take it anywhere you go. So, don't let traffic hold you back. Choose Naicisports X1 Smart Folding eBike and get to your destination in style and speed. Cardlax AirPods Washer. Are you tired of having dirty, grimy AirPods? Meet the Cardlax AirPods Washer, the ultimate cleaning solution for your wireless headphones. It's compatible with 99% of headphone types and is easy to use. With a rotating brush, built-in sprayer, rotating interior to rotate your headphones, and a soft cosmetic sponge and brush to clean all the nooks and crannies of your wireless headphones, it will leave them looking like new. Plus, the built-in sponge absorbs antibacterial cleaning solution to keep them hygienic and clean. In 4 easy steps, you'll be done and ready to use your headphones without worry. Nimble Nail Painter. Are you tired of spending hours at the salon for a simple manicure? Say hello to Nimble, the ultimate home nail paint solution. This little robot is like having a personal nail technician in your home, with its ability to paint and dry your nails in just 10 minutes with high-quality, non-toxic nail polish. Plus, the robotic arm applies a base coat, 2 coats of color and a top coat for a professional-looking manicure that lasts up to 10 days, and with its high-resolution micro cameras, you'll never have to worry about unevenly painted nails again. Choose from a wide range of shades in capsules suitable for up to 3 uses and enjoy salon-worthy nails in the comfort of your own home. Flasher. Are you tired of looking like a choo-choo train while signaling on your bike? Say goodbye to awkward arm waving with Flasher. This high-tech armband is like having a personal traffic cop on your arm. Just raise your elbow in the direction you want to turn and watch the magic happen. It's like having a built-in superpower. Plus, the automatic emergency brake light will have you stopping on a dime like a pro. Ride at night with confidence, knowing that Flasher has got your back. In the best part? The one-size-fits-all design means even your weirdly shaped arms can join in on the fun. Hazel Quinn Juicer. Are you tired of dealing with messy and complicated juicers? Say hello to the Hazel Quinn Slow Juicer, the ultimate kitchen accessory for juice lovers. It's like having a personal juice barista in your kitchen, with its retro look and easy-to-clean filter-free design. The bladeless design and customized auger makes it easy to achieve fine grinding, while the 2 holding accessories on both ends make it sturdy and durable. Quair Plasma Go Air Purifier. Tired of breathing all the pollution and nastiness in the air? Say hello to the Quair Plasma Go Air Purifier, your new best friend for clean air. This device is like having a personal air superhero by your side with 2 powerful purification technologies that will make your lungs dance a happy dance. The plasma ion system is like a ninja assassin for hydrogen, while the medical-grade HEPA filter with MAP-1 technology is like a shield for your lungs. Plus, its 11-hour battery life and removable battery means you can take it anywhere, and the swivel top lets you adjust the airflow direction. Don't let bad weather ruin your day. Hoto. Are you tired of using outdated and clunky tools for your DIY projects? Say hello to the Hoto Multifunction Rotary Toolkit, the ultimate power tool for the ultimate DIY convenience. It's like having a personal handyman in your toolbox with its 50 minutes of battery life, 5 speed settings, and a powerful 380 powered motor for 8-volt motor action. Weighing only 240 grams, it's light and comfortable to hold when working on cutting, grinding, milling, cleaning, polishing, drilling, sanding and engraving. The included 35 high-performance accessories let you complete projects faster and better. Plus, with the gear memory setting, you'll never forget the last gear you used, so you can keep working uninterrupted. You won't miss a thing with this great flying indoor security camera for your home. When your Ring alarm contact sensors or motion detectors are triggered, the Always Home cam automatically flies to where there is movement and zooms in so you can see what's going on in your home. See live what's going on around your home or review recorded video clips. It has a built-in LED that automatically illuminates the road when recording at night. Vava Portable SSD. Are you tired of worrying about your data security while on the go? Meet Vava Portable SSD Touch, the ultimate external storage solution that'll keep your data safe and sound. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your files, with 2 types of encryption, fingerprint and AES 256-bit. This external SSD offers the highest data security available today. It can even recognize up to 10 different fingerprints, so you can share it with your closest friends and family. With 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes capacities, and ultra-fast read speeds of 540 megabytes per second and write speeds of 480 megabytes per second, this device delivers reliable and lightning-fast performance, perfect for keeping your data safe on the go. Plus, with a stylish design that is compatible with multiple devices and can withstand drops from 1.2 meters, the shockproof portable SSD Touch is perfect for keeping your data safe and secure. Choose Vava Portable SSD Touch and keep your data safe and sound, wherever you go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video to support me. See you in the next video.